Yes, brother, you can put forward your next
My
question.
name is Muhammad Rashid. I am a government employee. In chapter 2, verse 62 says, even if you are a Jew, Christian or Magian, you will have no fear in hereafter. Then why non-Muslim should accept Islam?
Good question. Jazakallah khair. My brother, I would like you to know there are verses. Revelation was, it was revealed to Rasulullah sallam during the time of Rasulullah sallam. The people who are really followed Jesus and the people who followed Moses alayhi salam, and they died during Moses alayhi salam and died during Jesus alayhi salam, they are actually accepted. But what's happening nowadays, the books have been changed and actually they are missed. So the people, most of the, Christianity nowadays are really misinterpreted. And also all the books which are available, they contradict each other. So actually Christianity, for your information, it was not existing until after the death of Jesus alayhi salam. After he died, the Saint Paul, he is the one fabricated and invented Christianity and Trinity. So now the people who doesn't believe in Allah, anyone who take a partner with Allah, 3 or 1 or 2, he is not accepted. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that we should not have shirk, we should not associate with him anybody or anything. So anybody associate with Allah, whether a person or a statue or an idol, this is also, it will consider shirk, and Allah will not accept it, because Allah will not forgive if you associate with him and anything, and he will forgive if it's less than that. Jazakallah khair.
Yes, sister.